Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for disability in Florida only ways. Gather your medical records, proof of Florida residency, and employment history before starting your online application. Complete Form SSA-16 or use the SSA online portal, submit supporting documents, and request help from a benefits counselor if you need clarity. Track deadlines, keep copies of everything, and follow up regularly until you receive a decision today. Start by confirming you meet Social Security disability eligibility, including an ability to perform substantial gainful activity due to a medical condition expected to last at least 1 year or result in death. Gather medical records, physician statements, test results, and a clear work history with dates and earnings. Include any VA or workers' compensation records, and prepare a concise daily functioning statement describing limitations for reviewers. Organize documents chronologically and make digital copies to upload. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. On another note, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which upgrades your clean game and saves time for paperwork and appointments. I find it handy around busy claim days. Look in the description for the link and other deals, then grab a moment to subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. If your initial claim is denied, file a request for reconsideration promptly and track appeal deadlines carefully. Prepare a stronger claim by adding new medical evidence, obtaining detailed physician letters, and addressing any gaps noted in the denial. Consider requesting a hearing before an administrative law judge, practice testimony, bring a representative or attorney experienced in disability cases, and remain patient, as appeals can take several months to a year or more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.